Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to submit your G-325R form for USA. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this USCIS login. Okay. Now after login, I can go to my USCIS. Okay. So here I select I am an individual applicant, petitioner, requester, or supporter, and I click on submit. Okay. Now, what are the options I get? File a form online, address, ratio. Okay. So I'm going to select file a form online. Now you need to select the form that you want. Let me see, I can search. Yeah, biographic information registration. Use this form if you are required to register as an alien under. Okay, fine. Click on start form. Before will be automatically calculate the fee before you submit your form. Okay. Fund biometrics also they may ask you for biometric. It's a contact center. After you submit, you have to track your case on you can track your case online. If they ask you any information, you can, or you can provide your biometric. You can read this. This will really help you. Okay. Is someone assisting you with this completing this application? I select no. But if yes, then do. You. Okay. So what are the things they have asked? Given name, first name, last name. First name and last name are mandatory. Okay. Then your contact information, daytime telephone number. Next was email address, which I removed. I don't want to show you. Sorry. Current mailing address or safe address. Okay. You can provide this. If it is same as physical address, do this. So this is for aliens in US, means outsiders, those who are in US. So that's why you see USA states here. How long have you been lived at this address? That you can provide. Okay. Next come when and where you were born. So date of birth, city of birth, country of birth, your current country of citizenship or nationalities. Of course, it cannot be USA. Your address history. Provide address information for any of the prior citizens over the past 5 years. You don't need to put your current address again that you have already specified above. Your immigration information. When you arrived, place of arrival, immigration status of arrival, date, immigration status expired. Okay, that depends. What is your Form I-94 arrival departure? So basically, you can search for it. I-94. I have already made a video about how you can do this. So you can watch that video. I'll include the link in the description, and that number you can put over here. What is the explainer? Okay. Since in what activities you have been engaged, be very careful and be honest. Okay. In what activity did you intend to engage now and expected date of departure? How long you expect to remain in USA? What is your expected date of departure? Okay. Other information. E number. Okay. Well, to be honest, I also don't know what is a number. What is your CIC account, online account number? If you have provide that, okay, definitely. Next is biographic information, gender, ethnicity they have asked, your race, height, weight, color of your eyes, color of your hairs. Okay. Police and criminal record. Have you ever been arrested, cited, charged, or permitted to participate in diversion program? Okay. So read these offenses, and if anything applies to you, select yes and provide information. You don't want to do misrepresentation, right? So be honest. Next comes is your family, your current husband or wife. Are you currently married? If you select yes, they will ask the details. If you select no, they will take you to the next section. Then your father, first name, last name, father date of birth, current city of birth, if known, the father current country of birth. Okay. So these questions you can answer. Same questions are right for your mother also. Okay. Evidence. Additional evidence you want to provide, criminal history, other supporting documentation, any other documentation. Okay. If you want to provide additional information. Okay. So at the end, you will review, and once everything is reviewed, you will get the submit button, and then it will ask you to pay the fee before that. And once you pay, you can submit. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.